Hello everyone, my name is Okafor. I want to talk about my journey with ITonlinelearning Institute. So in my experience, I would say it was a very amazing experience, and I found the courses really helpful, and everything I'm doing right now in my job is actually tailored. What I learned from it is actually very tailored. I found my tutor, Ryan, was amazing. Always had time to reach out and any concerns I had, trying to book one-on-one sessions. He was very prompt in responding and put me through in any way I was finding any area I was finding difficult to understand.
So I take you guys on a journey on the life of a project manager at the NHS. I have a lot of interesting projects starting off, and we're starting off with the kickoff project kickoff meeting. Really exciting as an area I'm really passionate about, and as ADHD and ASD.
As a project manager, I wear the operational hat and make sure that I set project plans, strict timelines, robust timelines to ensure that we are working towards achieving the goals and objectives of the particular project. And so in addition to designing project plans, I also hold a high-level action log, action and decision log. So this is to hold people to account or the various tasks they're supposed to perform. Okay, so now it's the afternoon. I've had a series of meetings and stand-up meetings as well with colleagues and other clinicians. And now it's time for me to head into the community with the engagement team and see how we can reach out to people, try and destigmatizing and mental health. Anyone who wants to undertake the journey of being a project manager to actually use ITonlinelearning Institute. You get the value for money, and you're not just about passing your exams. You also understand what it is to be a project manager, and you also have transferable skills you're going to use in your everyday life at work. Yeah, immediately after my passing all my courses at one sitting, I was able to get a job with Barnett Airfield and Hiring a Mental Health NHS Trust, a transformation and improvement project manager. And I also want to say the life project which I did during my course was really helpful, and I'm still using that knowledge up to date in drafting business cases and following projects from the start to the finish. Thank you.